How to connect Apify and make.com. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Apify and make.com. So let's get started. First of all, open make.com and you're going to create a new scenario. So let us say I'm going to click on this over here and let's say I'm going to search for Apify over here. Here is Apify, so I'm going to click on it. And then I'm going to select any of these. Let's say I'm going to click on watch actors run. And then I got to create a webhook. So I'm going to click on this over here, and here I got to create a connection. So I got to click on create a connection, and then I got to select the connection type. So I'm going to click on API token, and here you got to give the connection name. Let's say I'm going to give it name such as AI plus more. And after that, I gotta paste the API token over here. Now you gotta paste the API token from the Apify over here. So head over to Apify and then you gotta scroll down, click on settings. Once you do so, you gotta click on API and integrations. And this is the API token. So simply copy this and head over to make.com and paste that over here. Once you do so, simply click on save and click on save again. Over here, you can select the actor, whichever actor you want to choose, click on save, and that's it. That is basically how you can connect your Apify and make.com. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.